Para mahina ang signal dito ah. bola, sir.
Mamaya magana yan eh. Tawag dito. Mag-FPS yung live mo.
Nawawala ang signal eh. Okay, start of the ball game.
Yung team foul po, announce na lang ha. Hindi po amin i-tip dito sa nagayang team foul. Kailangan ng gamit pa.
Drives through Rivera, denied, blocked by jersey number 7. Pass break, lead pass to basket count, first throw. Second throw. Throw. Oh, isa 2 for 2. Jersey number 5 for white team. Scouting the floor. Pass to Ilano. Switch back to jersey number 5. Naku, nakita 7 ron. Herrera, inward pass, intercepted. Steal by jersey number 1. All the way, Liamares. Steal and no basket. Offensive rebound, teardrop. Off the glass, connects 2 points. Deadlock, first deadlock. Yaya, hinaharas kagad. Penetrate all the way. Drop pass lang yan sa big man. Sa baseline, no basket. Defensive rebound ng uno. Pass to Herbacio. Herbacio, crossover move all the way to the hoop. And no basket. Defensive rebound. Jersey number 11. Lead pass to Yaya. Inward pass to jersey number 11 and draws a foul. King. Foul by jersey number 22.
Dalawa na yung 20 na.
Jersey number 22, second personal foul. Team foul. And second team foul para sa block.
Ayun lang ang ganyan bonus.
Second throw.
Wait lang yan ha.
Basket.
Rep, wait lang, Rep! Namatay dito pero okay dyan. Dito lang namatay.
Okay na.
Dalawa yun niya.
Dalawa pumasok.
Wait lang. Naluwag. Ayun, namatay naman doon.
Dito.
Ano siya? Nag-blow. Lumabo siya.
Ano nangyari?
Oo, meron na pa tayo.
Matanggal kasi yung ano sa kanyan.
Hindi, ano mo siya ulitin niya. Yeah. Pagaling mo ulit.
Napapakaiba yung doon sa board? Karoon ng technical problem ang digital. Back to the ball game.
Sa kanya ito, hawakan na din yun eh. Ganun-ganun lang, baka magkaskasan eh.
Sorry po.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Wait lang ya! Rep,
Shot clock.
shot lang ya, pakisot ko. Huwag na daw siya na. Paano yun?
Dito kasi yung ano eh.
Hindi yan, yan yung countdown sa 10 seconds. Dapat
Hindi yan, hindi yan. Nung kanina.
Naman yun.
reset siya, namatay siya. Dapat pala pinaanin mo na kay Kuya.
Oh, nag-reset nga. Bumalik yung sa zero.
24 dito.
Alam mo lang 10 kasi mamaya pag-reset niya, ano lang. Ano yan? Wait lang!
Set 10 ulit.
Hindi, ayun na lang oh, 6 oh.
Hindi, kasi
Ay, tama.
kuya, pag nireset mo yung mamaya,
Mamaya.
Pag reset ng 40.
tapos
40.
pag-reset mo,
Okay, sa kabila.
okay, tapos yung second set, baka hindi naka...
Doon yun siya eh.
Hindi, dyan, wala dyan. Yun yung sa
Hindi, sa kabila.
second set. Dito yan sa second set. Yan, yan yun. Yan, 14 mo yan. Ayan. Ayaw, bumalik sa 10.
I-play mo na lang muna siya. Ay, anong oras na ba yung kanina?
Seven.
Pagka, ano ah,
Seven.
para pagka ano mamaya, i-setting na lang natin ulit sa 10.
O, sige. 7 lang. 7.
Pati nga ba kung mababase?
Balik na lang natin sa 10 mamaya.
Okay, back to the ball game. Baseline throw into Herbacio. Herbacio nagbaba sa block team. On the left wing, Herbacio. 3 short. For block team. Paso Rivera. Transition of play on the right. Engaging, penetrates, pushing through, air ball. To Yaya. Sa baseline. Defensive rebound, jersey number 1. Pass, break, lead pass to Rivera. Rivera, pass to jersey number 15. Off the glass, connect. Dios, on the right wing of the ring, open. Herbacio. Baba ng bola para sa block team. Scouting na po, penetrate. All the way. Basket count. Substitution. Substitution. Second deadlock, 10 all. Basket count, bonus shot. 13-10. Leading by 3 points. Atake. Hinaras. Scrambling for the ball. Nakuha tayo Herbacio. Lead pass to jersey number 11. Basket count, 2 points. 15-10. Backdoor ang No basket. Offensive rebound. Offensive rebound. Kita yun. On the right wing, nangahasel yun. 13, shot lock, winding down. Penetrate. 11, off the ring. Offensive rebound, put back ng uno. Basket. Sino yun? Si Amares? Alamares. Lano. Reserve timeout ha.
Shot clock!
Lano. Jersey number 0. In and out. Offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. Defensive rebound. Lead pass to jersey number 11. Atake ngayon. Basket yan. Feed up. Time out. Time out. White. White. Sarmiento. Switch back to Ilano. On top of the key. Connects 3 points. Jersey number 5. Up the play for Black. Penetrate. Back to Ribacio. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. Counter 3. First throw by Vidalion. Basket. Second throw. Pinasang. T-drop. In and out. And Herbacio controls the board. Inaharas ni Vidalion. Lead pass. Steal. Nakita sa Lopos. Steal din niya. Herbacio. Atake ni Amares. Tolentino. Back to the ball game, second period. Ayun na bola natin.
Amen.
Black.
Depensa.
Run ng white kanina.
Aim. Vidalion, penetrate Vidalion, engaging all the way, layup, basket. Vidalion connects 2 points. Rivera. Baba ng bola on the left wing, transition of play. Pass to Rellosa on the right wing, aim for 3, off the ring, overshoot. Nakuha pa rin yan. Teardrop, basket, and 1. Sino?
Baba.
Sino yun?
7, ayun.
Sino nga yun?
Taguera.
Wala ang bonus shot. Nakakuha ng Betty the shot doon. Hinahara sa ilalim. Steal na yan. David. Nakasundutan ni Rivera yon. No basket yan. Pass to Yaya. Steal. Interception. Lead pass to jersey number 12. No basket. Defensive rebound. Vidal yon. Backdoor pass to jersey number 7. Black. Binigay kay Yaya. On the side. Basket. 27-29. Kalaka. Receiving the ball. Baba ng bola. Pass to Rivera. Rivera. Penetrate. Engaging. And drop pass lang yan. Nice pass. And draw sa foul. Jersey number 7.
Stop natin. Stop.
Refresh. 7 din yung kanina. 7 din.
Yan.
Tatlo na yung 7. Tatlo.
Jersey number 7. Third personal foul.
Tatlo na yung
Ang unang tira. Ayan. Wala pa rin yan. Ayan, defensive rebound na yan. Atake na si Yaya. Yaya, crossover move all the way to the drop pass lang yan. Vidal yun.
Amay, corner po penalty.
Ooh. Padilla, off the ring. Elano, offensive rebound, follow-up shot. Wala. Defensive rebound na yan para sa block. All the way ang uno, coast to coast. Connects 2 points. Yaya. Scouting the floor. Ang jersey number 25, penetrate and pull up, shoot. And jersey number 1, La Calmares. Pass break, Torillo sa outbound. Turnover. Baseline throw in by Tolentino to Yaya. Yaya. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Tinapik ang bola. Scrambling for the ball. Nakuha pa rin ang uno yan. Kay Rivera. Pinasa kay Rivera. All the way Rivera. And one. Foul. Basket. Jersey number 26.
Warning for technical, Rivera.
Rivera, warning for technical for taunting. Bonus shot. Wala. Jersey number 77, Yaya. Big shot pass to Ilano. Traveling violation. Hindi niya pa tinuli na itira eh. So Herbacio, nangahasel si Yaya. Pinasa na sa una yung atake sa baseline. Reverse layup, no basket. Defensive rebound na yan ng 11. Ilano all the way and Herbacio blocking foul.
Warning for penalty.
Both teams.
Penalty na sa kabila. Warning for penalty, Black.
Black warning for penalty. Shot clock reset to 14. Sarmiento receiving the ball. To 10. Pass to Yaya. Aim for 3. Air ball. Outbound. Turnover. Outside jersey number 7. Aim for 3. In and out. Layup. Inward pass. Number 13, kick out, switch back to Yaya, aim for 3, off the ring. For 3 again, short, and foul, penalty. Time out. First throw, no basket. Second throw. Na si Yaya. Shot lock mo. Kaki 11, Ilano. Basket. Nabawi ang dos. A minute and 15. Rivera. Didiskarte. Pasa lang yan. On the corner of the ring. Defensive rebound. Ang 26 yan. Interception by Camares. All the way. Drop pass to Rivera. No basket. Rivera offensive rebound. Connects 3 points. Taki Yaya. Pull up. No basket. Of the ring. Torellosa. In and out. End of the first half. Pass break to Bidalion. Wala! Another attempt. Basket. May Bidalion. Rivera. Scouting the floor. Setting of the ring. And Bidalion controls the ball. Pass to Peria. Winalik-naked David. David. Inward pass sa 7. Penetrate. Drop pass to David. Binalik sa 7 yan. Kick out to Yaya. Aim for 3. Of the ring. David, offensive rebound. Binalik sa Bidalion. Low post. Basket. Backdoor pass to Bidalion. Takay 22. Pass to Rivera. Rivera. Shot lock 8. Shot lock winding down. Shot lock. Shot lock. Pull up. Basket. Down. 2 points. Discarte Yaya. Pass to Peria. Peria. Looking for a pass. Pass to Calleja. Bidalion. Na-intercept yun. Sayang. Na-intercept ni Rivera. Pass break yan. Connects 2 points. Lead pass. Nice pass. Ay Rivera. Bidalion Reyes. Yaya. Basket, first throw. Second throw. Yaya receiving the ball. Pass to Padilla, aim for 3. Connects 3 points. Padilla. Connecting 3 points. Anong bola, Herbacio. Aim for 3. Ooh! Down to 14. Pass to Tolentino. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Offensive rebound 11. Kick out to Sarmiento. Aim for 3. Off the ring again. And Rivera controls the ball. Okay, pasa na kagad kay Herbacio. All the way. Layup denied. Reliosa. Basket count. Pass break to Ilano yan. Basket. A minute and 40 seconds. Hinara si Herbacio. Taki Yaya. Aim for 3. Seven-point lead. Block. Bumaba na sa single digit ang lamang ng block. Reliosa is scouting the floor, orchestrating the play. Counter 3 by Herbacio. Bumalik double digit ang lamang. Atake Ilano. Hinaharas kaagad ni Reliosa. Atake Sarmiento. Side step. no basket. Herbacio controls the board. Series of crossover move by Herbacio. Aim for 3. Short. Attack ngayon. Yan. Less than a minute. Aim for 3 Tolentino. Short. 30 seconds. Atake ngayon, Rivera. Dinali kay Rivera, switch back. Ooh, steal ng 13 ang Padilla. Dying seconds all the way. Yaya connects to points. Catch and shoot. Steal. Foul Tolentino. Ando sa gitna eh. Titira niya talaga yun. Sino yun? Ilan? Wala. Unang tira ni Ilano. Hindi, iba yun. Nating mag-asawa yun. Wala. No basket yan. Pinasak agad kay Herbacio. Ooh! Loose ball, turnover. Siete. Yaya. 3 points by Yaya. Stepping on the line. Turnover. Isa Yaya. Penetrate si Yaya. Inaras kagad ang uno. Pass to Ilano. Aim for 3. Short. Ooh! Wala pa rin ang reverse layup. Yaya. Ayan ni Rillosa. Teardrop. No basket. Napit pa rin ni Rillosa. Offensive rebound. Aim for 3 ni Rillosa. Basket. Bidalyon. Kay Bidalyon. Layup. Wala. Defensive rebound, Herbacio. Herbacio. Crossover move, Herbacio. All the way to the hoop. Basket count. Time out. White. Back to the ball game. White. Calleja. Baseline throw in. To Bidalyon. Nasa to Yaya. Aim for 3. Basket by Yaya. Onse. Terus kaya. Daharas kagad. Paso Herbacio. Wala ka pala yun. Aim for 3. O shoot. Bidalyon controls the board. Pass break to Ilano. Layup. Basket. Wala ka. Paso Rellosa. Narasilyo to Herbacio. Clock. Counting down. Shot clock 5. Penetrate Herbacio. Kick out. Jersey number 12 of the ring. Calleja controls the board. Lead pass to Yaya. Walang depensa yan. Easy 2 points. So Herbacio.
Isa na lang tayo mag isa na lang. Shot clock!
And for 3 of the ring. Bidalyon. Atake si Bidalyon. Kalak. And offensive foul.
Time out kayo, time out.
Bidalyon. Si Bidalyon ba yung may foul? Offensive foul, Bidalyon. Second personal foul. Time out!
Time out wide! Time out wide! Last time out na nila.
Okay, back to the ball game. Offensive foul. Nice. Pera. Penetrate Trillosa, layup. And jersey number 1, offensive rebound, follow-up shot, basket. Nara sila, no? Pass to Yaya. Yaya, aim for 3. In and out. Defensive rebound, Herbacio. Lead pass. Interception by Ilano. Ilano, pasa lang yan. Sarmiento, no basket. Defensive rebound niya ni Rillosa. All the way. No basket. Loose ball outbound. Jersey na Bidalyon. So Bidalyon. Pull up, basket. And 1. Sino? 65? Rivera? Substitution. And 1.
Apat na si Rivera, apat. Warning for penalty.
Bonus shot basket. To Rivera. Rivera. To Rillosa. Switch back to Rivera. Shot clock down to 10.
Shot clock!
Yan. Shot clock. Aim for 3. Shoot. Lead pass to Yaya. Layup. Wala. Bidalyon. Offensive rebound. And draws a foul. Jersey number 3.
Penalty!
Penalty situation ng block.
Substitution.
Kalaka. Ilan na si Kalaka? Third personal foul, Kalaka. And penalty situation block. Wala ang first throw ni Bidalyon. Second throw. Basket. 1 out of 2. Dose na lang pala laman yan. Paki Rivera. Wala. Defensive. Calleja, pass to Vidalion. Nakita ayon, Ilano. Catch and shoot. 10-point lead na lang. 10-point lead. Maba na sa 10 putos. Paki Rivera. And foul, Calleja.
4-7. Second team foul.
Fourth personal foul, jersey number 7. Shot clock 15. Shot clock down to 15. Herbacio. Shot clock 10.
Shot clock.
And for 3. Nothing but less. Lead pass to Vidalion. Reverse. No basket. Paki Ilano. No basket again. Aureliosa. And for 3. Nothing of the ring. Na-retrieve pa ni Rivera. Oh, stepping on the line. Line violation. Turnover. A minute and 39. Hindi ko na nakita. Nagdoon ako eh. And for 3. Short. Lead pass. To Calleja. No basket layup. Calleja controls the board. Calleja nangahasel. Almost a steal. Juani Ilano. Pass to Calleja. Calleja. Inward pass is steal. Pass to Rivera yan. Drop pass to Calleja. Basket. Pass break to Yaya. A minute and 5. Naharas ni Herbacio. Pass to Padilla. Penetrate Padilla. Walang pinasahan. Foul. Penalty.
Wala pa 13 foul.
Wala pa. 13 foul. White. Less than a minute. 59 seconds. Point lead block, Herbacio. Ubos ng oras. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 10.
Shot clock.
Rivera. Shot clock winding now. Penetrate. Pull up. Shoot. Defensive rebound na Ilano. Lead pass to Yaya. Off the ring. Aim for 3. Outbound. 28 seconds. 28 seconds remaining time. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 10. Shot clock 5. 3 points. End of the ball game.